is in Korean. Is that right?
I don't know.
It's for Samsung. It has Korean money instead of US dollars.
Yeah.
The process for that is still the same, right? Or do you have
That's
to
right.
convert it?
They're all digits, right? It's all digits. And we're not dealing with foreign currency conversions, so you don't have to worry about that. You just worry about
Okay,
the digits.
so it's still the same process. My percents. What was I asking for? Dang it, I should have had it pulled up. I could not get my percents right.
That may
Or
be because
the
you weren't,
return on assets.
yes, likely because you weren't doing the right averaging.
Okay, I'm
So
sure. Yeah.
the problem is, okay, so this one's a trick. I've seen this happen several times. They show you values as if they are beginning and ending values, and then you average them, right? No problem. But in this one, notice the little change that they did to the line item.
Average assets.
It already gives you the average assets for
So
that
you
year.
don't have to divide them. Okay.
Don't have to divide it. You don't have to average it, right? So if
Oh my Lozzie, Chantel, read.
it's really tricky. You know, they talk about trick questions, and this one was one of those, because really what it does is it ends up, you know, if I just put these values in here, let me make this a little bigger. You have your assets and you have your net income, right? Those are the only two real issues. And we have Samsung. Actually, yeah, let's just do that. Okay. Current, and we'll do prior. So on this one, 320,554, oops, 4667, 443, 44857. And I'll make this a little easier so I can actually see it. There you go. And then 281,963,207, and this one's 42,186,747. Okay, so you have your values, right? No problem. Now you're just going to take, because it's already averaged.
Already averaged.
Already averaged on this one. You don't have to do that. So return on assets equals your net income divided by just the value, right? Take that, copy and paste it over here. And we're going to turn these into percentages with 1 decimal point. So this should be it. All right.
Wow.
And
Okay, thank you.
13, 8, and 15.
That is what was happening. I was like, what am I doing wrong? It is the same formula. Okay, it already averaged it for me.
Yeah, because most people probably did the return on assets more like this, where they took the net income, let's say for current,
and averaged the two
divided by this plus that,
average.
Right? Divided by 2, right? For the average. If you did that, you got 14.7%.
That's exactly what I kept getting. It's like, why?
Yep.
Okay.
So
Hey, thank you. Thank you very much. Those were all the problems I had, and they were driving me crazy. Like, my husband called me today during his lunch, and he's like, I can see you're stressed. I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Yeah. This was FA number 3. Okay, I'll put that on the video list as well, so that everybody.
Oh, it's already averaged, eh?
Yep, it's already averaged. Now, if it wasn't averaged, then you're right. The way you calculated it works. It should work. But unfortunately, that little caveat here where it says average assets already tells you don't have to do the averaging.
All right. So when it's like that, so you just take it every year, like when you're trying to do the ROA?
Yes, you just take the numbers as they are. You don't have to do anything else for it.
Right.
Okay.